Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to build a report for weekly emails sent in HubSpot. This is incredibly useful for tracking your email marketing performance and understanding your sending patterns over time, giving you clear visibility into your campaign activity week by week. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign into your HubSpot account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard where you can access all the tools you need. Now look at the left navigation bar and click on the Reporting tab. This is your gateway to all of HubSpot's analytics and reporting features. When you click it, the menu will expand to show you additional options. From this expanded menu, select Reports. This takes you to the Reports dashboard where you can view existing reports or create new ones. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a button that says Create Report. Click on it to begin building your custom report. You'll now see several reporting options available to you. In the left sidebar, click on Custom Report. This gives you full control over what data you want to track and how you want to visualize it, rather than relying on pre-built templates. Once you've selected Custom Report, click Next to proceed to the Data Sources section. Here's where it gets important. You'll want to toggle on the Add More Data Source option, then add both Marketing Email Analytics and Marketing Email as your data sources. These two sources combined will give you the complete picture of your email sending activity. Now let's set up the actual chart. From the Marketing Email Analytics menu, drag the Sent Date option to the x-axis. Once it's there, edit it to display weekly intervals instead of daily or monthly. This creates the timeline structure for your report. Next, drag Marketing Email Sent from the Marketing Email Analytics section to the y-axis. As soon as you do this, your chart will appear with all the values populated, showing you exactly how many emails were sent each week. Finally, click Apply or Run Report depending on what your interface displays. This generates the preview of your report, and you can now see your weekly email sending data visualized clearly. You can save this report to your dashboard for easy access whenever you need to review your email performance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.